de gent malferida corren sols, escopint el seu fracàs ja vençuts. Esperaran com sempre han fet l'aventura d'una nit, mentre ploren de ràbia i per amor a un nom inexistent, mentre riuen dins núvols passatgers, cada dia més distants corren sols, seguint pistes per trobar el refugi de l'acció, un amic que no estigui massa vist o una ofrena de la carn que a vegades, quan s'apaga el primer foc, pot fer encara més mal, i així acaben quan ja tot ha passat, cremats per la veritat i cridant: podré tornar enrere quan estigui massa lluny, podré tornar enrere quan sigui massa tard, podré tornar enrere quan estigui massa lluny, podré tornar enrere quan sigui massa tard. Són germans d'un camí que no ha tingut mai sortida ni final. Saben bé que el futur és la foscor i que el negre és el color d'una bandera bruta i plena de sang que els hi han posat a les mans, però no es rendeixen, somien il·lusions fent himnes de cançons i criden: podré tornar enrere quan estigui massa lluny, podré tornar enrere quan sigui massa tard, podré tornar enrere quan estigui massa lluny, podré tornar enrere quan sigui massa tard.
Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like it's gonna sweep my world away. I'm gonna stop in Carbondale and keep on going. That Duquesne train gonna ride me night and day. You say I'm a gambler, you say I'm a pimp, but I ain't neither one. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, sound like he's on a final run. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like she never blew before. Blue light blinking, red light glowing, blowing like she's at my chamber door. You smiling through the fence at me, just like you've always smiled before. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like she ain't gonna blow no more. Can't you hear that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like the sky's gonna blow apart? You're the only thing alive that keeps me going. You're like a time bomb in my heart. I can hear a sweet voice gently calling, must be the mother of our Lord. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like my woman's on board. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like it's gonna blow my blues away. You old rascal, I know exactly where you're going. I'll lead you there myself at the break of day. I wake up every morning with that woman in my bed. Everybody telling me she's gone to my head. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like it's gonna kill me dead. Can't you hear that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing through another no good town? The lights of my native land are glowing. I wonder if they'll know me next time round. I wonder if that old oak tree's still standing, that old oak tree, the one we used to climb. Listen to that Duquesne whistle blowing, blowing like she's blowing right on time.